Hi, my name is Celena Rubin, and I am the founder, lead instructor, and have been the creative force behind the Art of Makeup School for well over a decade. I've been a freelance makeup artist for close to 30 years. I was a theater kid and grew up in LA, where I explored all career paths involving makeup. After theater, I began working in television. I started out working for Good Morning America, 2020, the Barbara Walters Special, and other ABC network news shows that had me doing makeup on high-profile politicians, such as Ted and Caroline Kennedy, John McCain, President Carter and Ford, and the Clinton and Gore families. I've worked with celebrities such as Robert Downey Jr., and on fashion shows, ad campaigns, and interviews for magazines such as W, Vanity Fair, and Rolling Stone, with artists such as Will Ferrell and Zooey Deschanel. I have gotten to go places and meet people that I never would have if I wasn't a makeup artist. It has always been exciting for me to share my love for makeup artistry and tell the stories of my adventures, but now I can reach an even larger audience. I am so excited to bring the art of makeup into your home. I hope I can inspire you to be creative and with the skills I share with you, be the best artist you can be.